These boards are seriously next level. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a range of up to 20 miles, we're ready for anything. Yeah, and they're super easy to control, even at high speeds. Let's hit up Dragon Park. Wow, this ride feels so smooth. This is amazing. I can't believe we get to see all of this on our electric skateboards. As we made our way towards the park, we couldn't help but feel a rush of excitement. This is the perfect day for an adventure. The scenery along the way was stunning. We passed through tree-lined trails and alongside serene rivers, all while cruising effortlessly on our boards. With the wind in our hair and the sun on our faces, we felt like we were flying. This park is huge. Let's go check out the dragon statue. I love how these electric skateboards let us cover so much ground without getting tired. And with the long battery life, we can ride all day without worrying about running out of power. These boards are perfect for any level of rider. You can easily customize the settings to your preference. Thanks for joining us on our journey today. Explore your world with the help of some seriously amazing technology. Until next time, keep on rolling.